I am at the Oregon Garden for their unbelievable Christmas in the Garden, and I am with Jade. And so
Hi.
Jade, this is just unbelievable. So I know a lot of things have changed, so start us off with the changes.
So first off, we'll start with admissions. A lot has changed. We're encouraging people to park off-site. So right when you park your car, you can actually purchase your tickets there. You can get tickets online and expedite the process. You can walk right in.
Oh my
gosh. And then next, when you walk in, we actually have 1 million lights this year.
Oh my gosh.
So we've expanded a lot. We have a new loop to our forest, so there's a lot more to see and walk through.
That is wonderful.
We have an ice skating rink, and it's actually expanded this year. So a lot more room to ice skate with your friends and your family.
That is fun.
We still have our snowless tubing hill, which just came back this year. And actually, that is right next to our 21 and over beer garden. We actually have spots right next to the tubing hill. So if you're a parent, you can grab a drink and watch your kid. Yeah, wave down the hill as your kid's snowless tube.
That is so much fun. So Jade, it's so cool that you've expanded the ice skating rink, but you've also expanded the time that you can use it.
Yes, on certain days, you can actually skate during the day. It's a great option for families and really anyone. The skating rink is a lot more wide open, which is awesome.
That is great.
So those are certain days, so check the schedule online for that.
And then I'm going to be so tired after going tubing and going skating. So what about vendors for food?
Yes, if you worked up an appetite, we actually have a lot of food vendors and food options in our beer garden and ice skating rink, as well as in our forest, and then food options in the Oregon Garden Resort.
So really, if I wanted to come too, I can just go have a room at the resort too.
Yes, and that's awesome because you're steps away from the event, which, you know, you can't complain about that.
Right, right.
So rooms are filling up quick, so check online at OregonGardenResort.com for available dates.
And I know that you have, it's a great place too to kind of get your Christmas list going, so you can do some shopping.
Yes, we actually have over 20 vendors. They're all selling a lot of Christmas items, scarves, candles. Ooh. So it's a great place to do some last minute Christmas shopping.
And then the jolly old guy himself is here every day this year.
We do. Santa's excited to see everyone, take pictures with the kids and even pets too.
That is nice. Oh, so you can bring your pets and have them walk around on leash.
Yes.
That is wonderful. And so do I want to get my tickets here? I know you can get them like at the drop-off by the shuttles, but can I go online too?
You can actually go online to christmasinthegarden.com where you can purchase your tickets.
And I love that you can get a pass, because that's nice, because you can come, I don't think you can do it all in one night. So really you can come a couple different times.
Yes, so new this year we have our Christmas in the Garden Market Pass. So for only $30 you can come unlimited admission and do some last minute Christmas shopping. You can see the lights over and over again.
That is nice.
So that's exciting.
And so what are the times then?
So we're open Wednesdays through Sundays, 5 to 9 p.m. And then the 2 weeks leading up to Christmas break, we're open every day.
Ah, that is nice. And really, so you're just closed Christmas Day?
Yes, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day.
But you can come all the way till New Year's.
Yes, there's lots to do. We'll still have the lights and ice skating and snowless tubing.
Oh, yeah. It really is so much to do. We just can't believe the amount of lights. Every year we're just fascinated by it, but there's even more lights this year. So if you have any other questions about what's going on here, please go to Garden Time. We'll click you over to their website and get all that information, get your tickets online, and make it so easy to get here and enjoy all the fun. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
You too.